Guys, Brian back here with another Bitcoin update. All right, boy, this thing is looking extremely strong. All right, we're gonna dig in here in this chart in a second. Gonna show you areas to watch out for a pullback here if we get a pullback past 29.8. It's looking super strong. So let's go over a couple things here real fast. Here is the crypto bubbles. This is for the week. A lot of double-digit gains out there. Look at Bitcoin Cash, 115%. A lot of huge gains out there this week. So if we move into the daily, a lot of corrections going on. A lot of RSIs are at the top. Things pulling back. Near, just did a near video. Expecting a pullback out of that. These RSIs get overextended. They have to cool off some. That's just the way things work with this market. So the Bitcoin dominance, I want to show you a couple of these real quick. That Bitcoin dominance is just showing extreme strength here. Okay, I'm going to show you the RSIs here. The daily is at the top and just rolling over. If you're not sure where it's at, it's right down here. That's the stochastic RSI. If you use the 12-hour, okay, the 12-hour is about to flip back up. So the 8 and the 4 are on the floor right now. The 8 hours down at 6 and 3. The 4-hour is at 28 and 14, so it's bullish. That 12, maybe we're going to come up here and double top up here. You know, we have this top here. Maybe we come up and tap it and get rejected, or maybe it's going to bust right through it. So we'll just have to wait and find out. If we have Bitcoin dominance about ready to head up, you know, what's that tell you? Maybe Bitcoin's about ready to do it too. So let's move on here. A couple other things I want to show you real quick. The Dow Jones, that thing's still breaking out. If we go out in the weekly, it's down 12. Was down 12 points today, but still that breakout of that wedge. Okay, so getting a retest now. It looks like the DXY, the dollar index that we keep an eye on all the time. So far we have a lower high obviously coming in. Let's zoom in here on the 12-hour. Widen this up, and if you could please hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that so very much, guys. Yeah, I got a great crew in here. Would love to have you. Super great, you know, a lot of friends actually in here, so would love to have you along. The daily, we have some bearish divergence here on this daily. Okay, down the bottom here, regular RSI. All right, if you see this low here, we had a higher low there. Okay, down on the RSI, we ended up having this low up here. We ended up having a lower low on the RSI. So we got some bearish divergence on that daily chart. So watching for that to play out on this thing. Regardless, we want a lower high to come in. All right, we had this high. We had a lower high, and a lower high would be nice. Not looking for this thing to crash or anything like that, but hopefully just follow this trend line. You know, something like that. But ultimately, looking forward to break this 100.9 level down here and break down out of here. But let's go back over the total 1 to total 2. Not much going on there. Here's the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. You can see we're just about falling back in that wedge, just riding that top of that thing right there. Okay, so you can see that one's right there. The total market cap, this is with Bitcoin, still on the breakout of that wedge right there. So that might come back here down to 1.08 and retest, and then bust out of here. There's something like this, come back down, retest, and then shoot out. So we'll have to keep an eye and see if that happens out of that thing. But let's get back to Bitcoin here. This thing is looking super strong. All right, let me zoom out. I want to show you the 4-hour because we had an ABC come in here. All right, I don't know if you can see it there, right up top here. Okay, we take a Fibonacci, put it on top here. There we go. We came up to that 702 area right there. If we pull this down and put that on top of that move, all right, right there. Okay, looks like that came in there. That's right up there. Looks like we finished an ABC pattern up in here. Would have been an A, B, C, right like that there. Okay, so we'll get that off there a second. But this thing should pull back a little further. Okay, we pull the RSIs up. Once again, the 4 is on the bottom, ready to go. The 8 on the bottom. The 12, okay, is rolling over for right now, and the daily is rolling over. But look at this weekly. Weekly RSI, beautiful. All right, and also the monthly heading right up. It's at a 80 and a 67. So Bitcoin's got a lot more room to the upside for sure. Okay, not a financial advisor. Please don't take it as financial advice. Just giving you what I see in the market. Okay, do your own research, please. So if we pull this up here, the 702 retracement would bring us right back to 27,328, right where this yellow line is at. Okay, that would be a 702. That would line up with the breakout, and you always try to line these up with areas of interest. We have a lot. We had resistance through here, or support. I'm sorry, support through here, or support here, support back through here. Okay, resistance. All right, so if we come down here, we'd use that as support and bounce up out of here. All right, so right now Bitcoin's looking great. Expect a pullback, I would imagine, unless this thing fires up out of here at $31,500. That's our magic number. Okay, if you want a magic number to break, that is it. We have not been able to bust through this bear market. If we get through that, you can see back in Bitcoin's history, right through here, major support area, major support. Once we broke through it, it became resistance. $31,500. Okay, watch it. We get through that. Look at all this open air up there, the whole way up to 37,000. So this thing could really start firing up here. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple days. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I very much appreciate it.